Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best dog brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any golden retriever owner looking to maintain their beloved pet's lustrous coat, manage shedding effectively, and keep their furry friend comfortable and healthy, ensuring that those beautiful golden locks remain tangle-free and looking their absolute best with minimal effort and maximum results. Number 5. ChomChom Roller Pet Hair Remover. Are you constantly battling pet hair on your furniture, carpets, and bedding? Introducing the ultimate solution for effective dog and cat hair removal. It's far superior to traditional sticky rollers, ensuring a deep clean every time. Say goodbye to fur on your furniture, pillows, and rugs. This tool is ideal for cleaning various surfaces, including your couch, car, and carpets. It's an essential item for every pet owner. Whether you have a dog or a cat, this roller is adept at removing all types of pet hair. Its extra sticky capability ensures every strand is picked up, leaving your spaces completely hair-free. Using it is as simple as rolling back and forth along any surface. It traps fur and lint into a built-in receptacle. When finished, just press the release button to empty it out completely. This reusable lint roller requires no adhesives or sticky tape. You can use it again and again, making it a sustainable choice for your home. It's a perfectly simple and eco-friendly solution. What we like? Tired of pet hair clinging to everything? This roller offers a sustainable solution without the need for sticky tape. If you're looking for a quick and eco-friendly way to tackle pet hair on furniture and fabrics, this is the tool for you. What people say. This brush pulls embedded fur out of my bedding and couches in just a few passes. It got all the cat hair plus human hair perfectly. It removes hair off my furniture much more effective and quicker than any high-end vacuum cleaner can. Number 4. AIRROBO PG100 Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Introducing the AIRROBO PG100, your ultimate solution for pet grooming. It tackles shedding and keeps your pet looking their best with ease. Experience the power of 12,000 pascal strong suction. This device effectively removes loose hair and dander, ensuring a cleaner home. Designed for a peaceful grooming experience. Its quiet operation ensures your pet remains calm and comfortable throughout the process. With a generous 2L capacity, you can groom your pet multiple times before needing to empty it. This makes grooming sessions more convenient. Keep your home cleaner and your pet happier. This grooming kit simplifies the process, making it a joy for both of you. What we like? Dealing with significant shedding can be a chore. This vacuum kit provides strong suction to capture loose hair and dander effectively. If you have a heavy shedding breed and want a quieter grooming experience that collects hair directly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The fact that it collects the hair is just amazing too. It was not loud and has 3 suction settings, so it can be even more quiet. Neither of my dogs object to being vacuumed because the system is very quiet. There are no high-pitched whines or odd sounds which might frighten my dogs. I use the hair removal rake, which they find to be a pleasant back scratch every day. Suction has more than one speed, tested all 3 and they worked perfectly. Hose is really nice and flexible. Clippers are great. Love the double-sized guard so I don't have to go rustling to find one close to desired. Easy to clean, empty, and take care of. And quiet. Suction settings for lower for those sensitive areas, ears, eyes, face, and higher suction in those icky areas in the pictures and his butt. Almost 2 pounds of hair came off him. Number 3. Slicker Brush for Dogs, 3PC Grooming Kit. Introducing our premium dog grooming kit, designed specifically for your long-haired companions. It's perfect for breeds like golden doodles, poodles, and golden retrievers, ensuring their coat stays smooth and clean. Say goodbye to stubborn mats and tangles. Our long, dense pins penetrate thick coats to effectively remove loose undercoat and topcoat hair, preventing knots before they form. Experience grooming comfort like never before. The ergonomic wooden handles provide a secure, easy grip, reducing wrist and hand fatigue during even the longest grooming sessions. This tool effectively pulls out loose hair from both the undercoat and topcoat. This means less hair on your floors and furniture, keeping your home cleaner between grooming visits. Crafted with durable stainless steel pins, it's rust-resistant and simple to clean. Easily remove trapped hair and store the set for your next grooming session, whether for your dog or cat. specifically designed for pets with long, thick, or curly coats. It's the perfect solution for maintaining the health and appearance of breeds known for their beautiful, flowing fur. What we like. For those with long-haired breeds, managing knots and shedding is a constant battle. This brush is designed to penetrate thick coats, tackling mats and reducing loose hair. If you own a fluffy breed like a golden doodle or poodle and want a comfortable grooming experience that prevents painful tangles, this is ideal. What people say. The brush is very sturdy, the bristles are strong but not sharp, and it's genuinely such a good value for the money you spend. It is super easy to clean as well, which is always a plus as a busy groomer. It really does get rid of all the tangles with no added stress to the dog. Perfect brush for my golden retriever. Very easy to use and removes undercoat. The brush is fantastic, she loves it, and so do I, but the flea comb is hands down the best I've ever used. Not only easy to use with its long wooden handle extending past the comb, but super simple to actually kill the wee buggers. You can just crush them against the rounded handle. It's quite addictive, and a thorough combing has now become part of our morning routine. It thins out her fur and gets rid of the fleas. Number 2. Ever Gentle Dog Grooming Brush. Introducing the Ever Gentle Slicker Brush, designed for a comfortable grooming experience. Its stainless steel bristles gently remove loose fur and tangles, leaving your pet's coat smooth and healthy. The rubber handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, making grooming sessions easier for you. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and hello to a happy, well-groomed companion. Tired of stubborn knots? This brush effortlessly glides through your pet's fur, detangling with ease. It effectively removes shedding hair, keeping your home cleaner. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, the bristles are durable and effective. They are designed to reach deep into the coat without scratching your pet's skin. For added convenience, a handy hook is integrated into the design. It's perfect for storing the brush after use, keeping your grooming tools organized. Invest in your pet's well-being with this essential grooming tool. It promotes a healthy, shiny coat and strengthens the bond between you and your furry friend. What we like. Sensitive skin or a dog that dislikes harsh brushing can be challenging. This slicker brush features a rubber handle for a comfortable, non-slip grip and gentle stainless steel pins. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes your dog's comfort while effectively grooming, this is a great option. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and shedding hair, leaving the coat smooth and shiny. Its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to hold and use, even during long grooming sessions. The self-cleaning button is a fantastic feature, allowing for quick and easy removal of trapped hair from the bristles. Number 1. Beech Wood Dog Slicker Brush, Large. Tired of shedding and tangles? Our slicker brush is designed for long-haired dogs, making grooming a breeze. Achieve professional results with ease. This brush effectively removes stubborn tangles and mats, leaving your dog's coat smooth and healthy. Keep your furry friend comfortable and tangle-free. Grooming for extended periods is now comfortable. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, reducing strain on your hand and wrist. Achieve the salon look without leaving your home. This tool is designed for professional-level grooming, ensuring a beautiful finish every time. Crafted from high-quality beech wood, this brush is durable and gentle on your pet's coat. It's a sustainable choice for your grooming needs. Specifically designed for larger dogs with long coats. This large-sized brush covers more area, making grooming quicker and more efficient. What we like. Achieving a professional groom at home can be difficult. This slicker brush, with its ergonomic beech wood handle, is designed for comfortable, long grooming sessions. If you have a long-haired dog and want a tool that feels good in your hand while effectively removing tangles and mats, this is the one to consider. What people say. The brush is effective at removing loose undercoat and significantly reduces shedding. Its ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use for extended grooming sessions. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer, making cleanup quick and easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.